Express, home of news and entertainment.
Mga kasama, let's sit back and relax every Saturdays with beauty, brains, and beyond expert Bianca for an hour of inspiring life talks, holistic wellness advices, beauty and improvement tips for a better, bolder, wiser, and stronger you. Say yes to a life full of positivities, mga kasama. Tumutok lang dito sa Home of News and Entertainment, ang Media House Express.
Wow, hello. Is my audio doing great? Tingnan mo nga. Hi! Masyado pala naka-zoom. Yun ako, no? Welcome to Media House Express live streaming. We're very thrilled to have you here with us today in this episode, Beauty, Brains, and Beyond. I'm Bianca, your host for this evening. So guys, I apologize for missing the last week episodes because I had to attend to a very essential first aid and safety training at work. But now I'm back and ready to take you on an exciting journey. So get ready for an hour of captivating insights and beautiful destinations. All right, I'm here tonight at Soler. Ayan, so you can see the beautiful background here. Ayan, so let's dive into tonight's topics and discussions. And don't forget to join the conversations live, okay, guys? It's going to be a captivating experience. So stay tuned and enjoy the ride. I just want to greet the viewers who are here tonight. Wait, I'm using multiple cell phones at the moment, no? Kasi I'm using this phone for my screen, and then the other one is for seeing the viewers via Facebook, and also we have in YouTube. Ayan. Can you see the viewers right now? I just want to greet. Wow, ang aga naman ni Mikiel Barry, my sister. Hello, Mikey. Well, thank you for tuning in. Who else? Guys, please type in your names in the comment section so that I can acknowledge you and welcome you here at Beauty, Brains, and Beyond. Okay? Ayan, so let's take a moment to share this live stream with your friends, of course, your family, and anyone else who might enjoy, who might enjoy joining us tonight. Whether it's through your feeds, group chats, or just by simply tagging your friends in the comment section. So let's just spread the word and make this event even more special together. Ayan. So, siguro nagtataka kayo, wala ako sa studio, guys, tonight. Alright. Tonight, I'm doing my live streaming here at Soler. Alright. I was invited to attend a very, very special event here at the Theater Soler. For the music of Cecil Azarcon. For sure, some of you know her already. She's a very, very well-known songwriter, music composer in the Philippine industry. She's celebrating her 45th year anniversary concert. Again, ang daming mga very, very famous OPM celebrities, no? To name a few, there will be Martin Rivera, Kula Desma, Gary Valenciano, Shaq Padilla, Regine Velasquez, Ogie Alcacid, Janet Gibbs, and a lot more. So Cecil Azarcon, congratulations to you. Again, Cecil Azarcon is a renowned Filipino songwriter and music composer known for her contributions to the Philippines music industry. So with a career spanning over 4 decades, her work has touched the hearts of many through her poignant lyrics and, of course, memorable melodies. So her songs have been performed by numerous artists, as I mentioned earlier, and have become classics in Filipino music. So tonight's concert celebrating her 45th anniversary is a testament to her enduring legacy and influence in the industry. So thank you again, Miss Viv Chang, for inviting Beauty Brains and Beyond with me for this fantastic opportunity to enjoy some incredible music and talent. Ayan! So, um, patingin nga kung sino nasa ano ngayon, who's tuning in tonight. By the way, I'm with my sister. Sister, hi Kiana. Kiana Barry. Ayan. So, thank you for being with me tonight. Kumakain lang siya dito sa gilid ko, guys. Gusto ko ba mag-hi sa kanila? Ayan, antayin na lang muna natin yung mga viewers natin. Siguro, some of them are still joining, diba? Sana okay yung audio ko, guys, no? Kasi, ayan, first time kong nag-live stream sa labas ng studio. So, ayan, hello, Mikey, Mikel Barry, hello. Ayan, andito kami ngayon sa Soler. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa, anong tawag sa restaurant ito? Oasis? Tama ba? Oasis Restaurant? Yeah, and we're having some coffee. We're also having some, ayan, pakita ko na lang sa inyo guys, ha? Hold on na. Yung sister ko, siya yung ano ko ngayon, siya yung assistant ko ngayon dito sa Soler. Katabi ko lang siya, mag-hi ka nga. Ay, mag-hi siya ha. Mumove ko yung camera. Ayan, mag-hi ka. Come on, wag mahihiya. Ayan. Ayan, ang sister ko, si Kiana. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan, guys. Sana okay yung audio ko, no? May tumatawa. Sino kayo tumatawa? Si Mikey. Mikey, dapat andito ka tonight, eh. Nag-date tayong tatlo, eh. Hi, Marvin Salamero. Ang sabi niya, hello, beautiful and gorgeous Ma'am Bianca watching from Tondo, Manila. Hello to you, Marvin Salamero. Thank you for tuning in. I am now here at Soler attending an event, no? At 8 p.m. We are gonna be watching Cecil Azarcon, later. So, yan. Pakibati po kami. Kapili family. Hello, Kapili family. Thank you for watching Beauty Brains and Beyond. And sana you're having a good night. And sana maganda rin yung audio ko, yung feedback. Okay sana yung audio, no? So, it's my first time doing the live stream outside the studio. So, please bear with me, okay? Naghanap pa ako ng spot kanina. So, sabi ko, saan ba merong magandang spot dito sa, So, sabi ko, dito kami sa corner para walang masyadong dumadaan na mga guests tsaka mga staff. But anyways, yan. Like and share done this page, Beauty Brains and Beyond. Thank you very much, Marvin, for your support.